everyone, welcome back to Sunday Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 20th to the 24th of January 2025 on Monday. Signs indicate that Imbelego may have been a futile exercise for Babo, forcing Nkunzi to take action. Insizwa fly too close to the sun, placing them in Lily's crosshairs, and Mbatha realizes he has to come clean even if it hurts some people on Tuesday. Nkunzi apologizes to Sibonelo and Nkunzi introduces his grandson to the Mhlonga ancestors while the Sangoma gives Babegazi a stern warning. Things start looking up for Prince when he gets a new job interview. But forges on to make the trip possible for Caesar on Wednesday. Nonka is crippled by her breakup with Hao, unlike Lily, who welcomes the news with joy. Prince is caught out in a big lie, and Butter is a man of on a mission on Thursday. Nonka put the final nail in the coffin of her relationship with Hao. Prince licks his wounds after his rejection, and legendary Thuso Mutawung graces the airwaves of K-Mesh FM on Friday. Mbatha delivers a devastating blow to the Zikubu kids. Well guys, this is all I have for today.